Yes, guys! Magandang tanghali! Okay, fam, ang paborito nyo pong kasama tuwing katanghalian ay nagbabalik na. Hindi lang nagbabalik guys dahil this is our last episode. This is Okay Panalo Season 3. Much made in love. Much sa kilig. Much sa panalo.
Hi, I'm Alexa.
I am JC Lopez.
Hello everyone, I'm Kim Agravante.
Okay, Dylan!
3,000 pesos! Relax ka lang. Ayan. Saga. Out. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayan.
And stop. And 5,000 pesos! Nako. Dito, ayan. Okay. Ilan na lang? Up. Hands up.
We hope to number.
Oh, wait.
Time out, time out.
Nakatatlong box lang tayo. So, Miss Virgin, meron kang total of 13,000 pesos. Congratulations, Miss Virgin. Yes! Ayan.
Nagulat.
Say congratulations. Ayan. Yes, guys. Meron na tayong Okay Panalo Season 4. Again, there you have it, guys. Maraming salamat. This is your Okay Panalo host, Joel. Bye!
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.